Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change in the Odisha Gazette online. First, you need to prepare a notarized affidavit. This important document should clearly state your current name, your desired new name, and the specific reason for this change. Remember to include details like your father's or husband's name, your complete address, and any necessary age proof. Have this affidavit printed on stamped paper and properly signed by 2 witnesses to make it legally binding. Next, gather all your required documents. You will need identity proof, such as your Aadhaar card or passport, along with address proof like a utility bill. Don't forget to include 2 recent passport-size photographs. A critical step is publishing an advertisement about your name change in 2 newspapers, one in a local language and one in English. Make sure the details in these advertisements exactly match the information provided in your notarized affidavit for consistency. Now it's time for the online application. Visit the official eGazette portal for Odisha to start. Carefully fill out all the necessary application forms, ensuring every detail is accurate. You will also need to prepare a digital copy of all your supporting documents, saved in MS Word format on a compact disc. Finally, proceed to make the required application fee payment securely through the online portal, completing this vital step of your submission. Once your application is submitted, your name change notification is usually published in the official Gazette within 10 to 15 days. You can then easily download this official notification directly from the eGazette portal. This Gazette notification serves as your legal proof of name change. With this document, you can proceed to update your new name across all your important government identification documents, including your Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, and all your bank accounts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.